I have been working in MM area for last 7.5 years.
Okay.
So yeah,
SCMM area.
metals management.
Yeah, only MM.
Yeah, only I have a
Yeah.
little bit knowledge on WM, but I would not say that's enough. So I want to get an
Mm.
expert level training. So my expectation from you is that
Okay.
so that I can
Okay.
utilize this my current projects and all those stuff.
Okay. So you want to like change your company, or in the same project you enhance your skills?
Not really change the company, but in the same project.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Is there a requirement in the company like with for really?
No, not a requirement. I would say. I mean, I just want to learn so that I can utilize in my future project.
Okay. Okay. Did you got the content?
Sorry.
Have you got the content?
Have you got the?
Content
No,
what it
no,
saying?
no.
I've not got the content. Open. It's not open. Okay, I'll just explain on the what the content itself. Okay, as you have already done with your MM, so we'll start with the structure with warehouse. Okay, then we'll look into the storage bin, storage types, picking areas and all. This all comes in the structure itself. So that will configure in the material master data. Okay. So while you create a material master in MM01, you need to select warehouse management 1, warehouse management 2 tab, plus warehouse management execution and warehouse management packing. Okay. So there we need all these entries to be done. Which storage section you are storing the product, which storage bin, and which is the picking area, and what is the count. Okay.
Okay.
So that will look into first. Then material master data will configure and the storage bin will configure. And so you have multiple storage bins, and you can configure it automatically as well as manually for the storage bin. Okay. Then we have a TR. TR will create automatically and manually. We'll have a configuration done for this, and we'll be setting this automatic TR creation. Okay, that is just like PR and PO.
Okay.
Okay, then we have a TO creation with respect to the posting change notice, with respect to the transfer of requirement, with respect to a material document. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we can delete the TO, we can block the TO, shrink the TO. We have strategies here. So a strategy we can maintain for both put away and stock removal. Okay. Put away is filling the stock. Stock removal is you are removing the stock from the storage bin. Okay. So we have multiple strategies to take care of. That will take care. And we have a search sequence. So if you are removing the stock from which storage bin, which storage section, which storage type, it has to first remove the stock. So we have a sequence search for that. So that we have to customize. Then we have a material flow system. So we need to integrate with your MM. because WM is closely integrated with MM and SD. So both GR and GI will come into place. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have fiscal inventory, wherein the GI and GR process takes place. So returns, inbound delivery, outbound deliveries. So all these things will come into picture. Okay. So this is WM. Okay. So along with WM, there will be transportation and shipping. Okay. So you need to identify the route, from which route you are transferring the product to the customer, or from which route the product is coming from the vendor. Okay. And the shipping notifications, shipping and deliveries. So in deliveries, you will be understanding this inbound and outbound delivery system. Show you if I have it here. Actually, my system is giving some errors. Okay, so these are the types activity. Okay, so we have SU management. So this I left out in the content. We have storage unit management system. So this helps you to link your WM to EWM system. Okay.
Okay.
This creates an interface to move your transactional data. Okay. So see, the next gen for WM is EWM. Okay.
Okay.
So EWM will be in SCM server. So to connect to your SCM server, you need an interface. So that will be connected through your SU, storage unit management.
Okay.
Okay. And we have transportation. Not configured in this, but we'll look into the transportation part as well as the shipping part. Shipping for inbound and outbound deliveries in this. Like you'll be taking GI and GR into consideration, and you'll be taking this shipping notification while creating your GR. Okay.
One thing I checked your syllabus. This RF.
Sorry.
I was just checking your syllabus. This RFID is missing, right?
Yeah, RFID. That's the interface. That's what I'm telling you. RFIDs will be covered off in SU management, storage unit management. So that creates an interface.
Okay.
RFIDs will be covered.
Okay.
So anything else?
That's this is the syllabus, right? You have shown, right?
Yes, yes. But there is a bit of extra like needs to be added in that. I have not added because that will be a lot of content in
Okay.
that. Okay. So in road
what's your name? Sorry, I missed
I'm
your
Abdul.
name. Sorry?
Abdul.
Abdul,
Yeah.
one thing, this capacity check will be covered, right? On a storage type?
Yeah, capacity check will be there in the storage unit itself. Once you configure everywhere, like at the warehouse level also there is a capacity check. At the storage section also there is a capacity check, and for storage bin also there is a capacity check. So while you configure the storage bin, while you configure the storage type, while you configure the warehouse, there itself will insert the capacity, volume
So
type and weight type.
yeah. I have one confusion.
Yep.
Just want to ask you. So can
Mhm.
we implement capacity check for put away strategy in next MTP?
Yeah. Like put away strategy for what?
Next MTP
Yeah, you can. You can.
you can, right?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Means, I can use any capacity check, right? 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
whatever.
yes.
Okay.
So
Got
it
it.
first checks the capacity of the next storage bin, and
Uh-huh.
then it will take your capacity into consideration.
Okay.
Okay. So if the capacity left out in the next bin is 10 and you have given 11, okay,
Uh,
it will take 10 materials in the next bin and it will give you a warning message that the next bin is full.
okay.
Okay, one will be left out. Okay,
Okay.
it will check both of the capacities.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and
Like
then
say
it will give
I
a
have
warning.
implemented capacity check by weight. Okay. Material by weight. Okay.
Okay.
So and my put away strategy is next MTP. So
Mm-hmm.
as per the strategy, if I don't maintain the capacity check, what I understand is if I create a TO for a material, say
Mm-hmm.
suppose bin 1, as per the
Mm-hmm.
rule, it will take, and again I will create another TO, bin 2 it will take, right? System will propose bin 2, right? As per the strategy,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Correct. So
Yes.
this is if I this is a normal way. If I keep put away strategy as L, right?
Yes.
Next empty bin. The system automatically suggests me the next bin which as per the strategy for
Mm-hmm.
this put away. Correct? Say
Yes.
suppose if
Exactly.
I have implemented the capacity check by weight, okay, by say suppose by weight, material by weight. So say
Mm-hmm.
suppose 10 kg will be the weight 10 kg is the material weight each for which each bin is supposed to hold on. Correct?
Exactly.
Say suppose I have created a, TO of 20 kg. So how
Mm-hmm.
it will perform means 10 kg for the first bin and 10 kg for the second bin, right?
See, if you have given the weight as a capacity and it will check the material weight as well. Okay. So if
Uh-huh.
the material weight is 15 kgs, okay, and
Uh-huh.
there is a 10 kg left out,
Uh-huh.
okay, how will you store the product in that bin? You can't cut the material, right?
Correct.
Right? So it will check from the master data first, then
Uh-huh.
it will come to your bin data. Okay.
Mhm.
So whatever is left out, it will move to that particular storage bin. So accordingly, from your search sequence, the search sequence what you have maintained in the search sequence, storage bin search sequence. So it will consider the storage search sequence and then it will move accordingly from the checks. Okay.
So that means you want to say that it will first check the material master weight and then it will check the
Yes.
storage bin
Yes.
weight, right?
Yes. Exactly.
So material master weight I have to maintain the basic data one, that is gross weight, right?
Yes. Exactly. If
Okay.
you are considering in terms of weights.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay.
So in a nutshell, I can implement 4 capacity check, whatever capacity
Yes.
check as my wish in a
Yes.
put away strategy, right?
Yes.
In any
Exactly.
put away strategy, correct? Not
Yes.
on all the 4 5 put away strategy, right?
Yes. You can maintain for all five.
Okay. Okay. So that will you will be covering, right?
Yeah, that comes under strategies.
Sorry.
That comes under strategies. Once we
Oh,
maintain the storage bin sections and all, once we
okay.
start configuring the strategies, activities, so it comes under that.
Okay. Got it.
My
Got it. Okay.
actually my system has some issues. Otherwise, I would have shown it here itself now.
Not an issue. I understood that. Okay. I understood.
Okay.
So
Any? Yeah, tell me, tell me. Yeah, go ahead.
Regarding if I start the classes, so what will be the timing you will be more comfortable?
Like what timings you will be comfortable?
Look, honestly, morning will be hard for me. So it's better in the evening session anywhere if you are
Evening,
comfortable.
what time?
Uh, say suppose 7,
Yeah, we can do it by 7:30
7:30,
because
right?
sometimes I'll be late coming in. So 7:30 will be ideal
Oh, okay. 7:30 will be good for you, right?
because it depends on the traffic. I leave office by 5:30, so it takes, if
Oh,
it gets a little bit more, so I
that,
will
that,
come
that,
back.
that's quite understandable, Abdul, right?
Yes, Abdul.
Okay, that is quite understandable. So, and in the morning session, what is your comfortable time?
Morning anytime is comfortable.
The morning anytime is comfortable, right? Can we
Yeah.
do it from 7 to 8:30 or something? 8?
8:15 I can do because again it's a rush to office morning.
Yeah. 7 to 8.
We'll do
Or
it evening itself, man. Because see, we will not be having office in the evening, both of us. So
okay,
we can
yeah. That
easily
is also good
fetch.
suggestion.
Yeah.
That is also good.
In the
From
morning it will
7:30
be
you are free,
heavy.
right?
Yeah, 7:30 will be okay.
Okay, two things can happen. Either I can start from 7:30, or if
Mm-hmm.
possible from 9. Is it okay for you?
9 I have a session.
Oh, you have a session at 9, right?
Yes. 7:30 to 9 we can do.
7:30 to 9 you can do, right?
Yes.
Okay. I understood your point. Uh, got it. And in weekends also you are free or you are packed up?
Saturdays I can do. Sundays no, I don't take.
No. Sunday I am also not free. At least
Saturdays I can.
Saturday you are free, right?
Yeah, Saturday I can.
Say suppose in the weekdays, suppose if we continue for 5 days, so we will not do it Saturday. Say suppose
Mhm.
some days are missed, so we can extend on Saturday, right?
Yeah, we can. We can.
And Abdul, are you providing me some documents like whatever you will teaching me in a Word document or something? How will you provide me the material?
I'll give you a PDF copy.
PDF of what? Means,
PDF of entire say the content what I train.
but that's your created or the SAP document you are saying?
No, I created document. So it
Okay,
will
you
look like
created, right?
this. Yes.
Okay, okay. Because
I'll show you here. So
okay, this
this
you are
what
created, right?
yes. SAP created. No, you'll get it in the net itself. Why would
That,
I have to
that,
set?
that I have lots of SAP created. Well, because honestly, it's very hard to understand what SAP has. Is very
No,
tough.
no, sir. That will be very heavy for you.
Yeah. So okay,
I'll send you
okay.
the document. Plus, you can record the session. So the
I can
sessions
record
will
the
be
session also,
recorded.
right?
Yes. The
And a
sessions will
system
be
access
recorded.
system access you will be providing, right?
Yeah, I'll give you the system access.
Okay. And one more thing, I would, if I start the course, I would like to, since I mean, look, my objective, my expectation from you is not like in the pressure level, because
Mm-hmm.
my objective is to learn on a expertise level. So I would like to,
Mm-hmm.
if you can help me with the interview questions, what type of interviewer generally
Inter
asks.
interviews you will crack, man, no problem. Once you are well versed with this flow, you can easily crack the interview. There's no point in preparing only for the interviews. But
Okay.
generally asked questions, I'll mark then and there. But there's no special thing like you have to prepare only for the interviews.
Okay.
So if you know the flow, like the questions you asked me now, so the same type of questions will be asked in the interview.
Okay.
They'll take you through the business process and then the questions will arise. The same way you can just answer it.
Yeah, actually, honestly speaking, Yeah, my main objective is it's first learn WM and then
Mm,
EWM, because I am working currently in 1709 S4 HANA,
mm-hmm,
so there is no WM, right? But
mm-hmm.
I would say no W, not no WM, but it will not support WM in S4 HANA, right? It will only support
Yes,
EWM.
yes. Do one thing. You take course along with WM with EWM. It will cost you less, and in the same flow, you can finish off both.
But do you really think that it means parallelly we can manage?
Yes, yes. Because see, EWM is extension to WM. Okay, and there are few things wherein we add like create an interface wherein it will the master data and the transactional data will be moved. Can you see this link?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, the content will be almost the same. In ECC, what happens? The structure starts from plant level, okay,
Uh-huh.
for us. But in EWM, it starts with warehouse.
Correct. And WM also.
No, in WM, it will take consideration of storage location. Okay,
Yeah, storage location and plan.
yes. But in where this one EWM, it directly starts with warehouse. There is no plant, there is no storage location.
Okay.
Okay, so next the master data creation. So if you are using EWM along with your ECC, like SAM server along with ECC, the master data creation can be transferred from the ECC part to
Yeah, yeah.
EWM.
Yeah, the
Okay,
CFM1 and CFM2 transaction, right?
yeah, core interface function.
Hmm.
Okay, then transactional data. We have same inbound and outbound deliveries to be transferred from this one.
So
Then
you
we
are
have
also
in.
giving EWM training, right?
I'm actually an EWM consultant.
Okay. You're an EWM consultant.
Yes. See, almost the configuration, what you do it in ECC is same as the configuration we do in EWM. Well, bit of transactions will differ and the terminology differ. Okay.
Yeah.
So there in ECC we call it as material master data, but here we call it as product. Okay.
Product master, correct.
Okay. And then for this vendor master, customer master, here we call it as business partners.
Hmm.
The terminology differ, but the configuration, the customization will
So
remain the
do you
same.
really think that for learning EWM, WM required?
Yes, it is
It is
required.
required, na? Because until unless you know the process, like what I understand from the header level, like in a WM there is a TO concept, and here it's not a TO, it's a warehouse task, right?
Yes, yes. But simultaneously, you will understand the things. Your time will be saved. Again, if you
Tell
go
me
for
one
an
thing,
EW,
if we start the two courses simultaneously, so how will
hmm,
you initiate this? Means first you will teach me WM, then EWM, right?
no, simultaneous will do. Because, see, anyways, this ECC structure will be configured first. I'm just taking an
Mhm.
example. So once this is configured, then we'll come to EWM structure and we'll configure EWM structure. Okay.
Okay.
Then we'll create a master data in ECC. Okay. So the master data for product and as well as this customer vendor. Okay. So then we'll create a core interface function in ECC and move that core interface master data to EWM system.
Mhm.
Okay. Then the second topic will be over. Then we'll come
What?
on to the strategies. Sorry.
Yeah, you will move topic wise for WM and EWM both, right?
Yes, yes. Stepwise we'll move.
So
Then
what
we'll
will be the
configure the strategies.
course duration then for this?
Duration, it depends on you how fast you grasp. It's not hard and fast rule. For just saying, I can say 40, 45 sessions will be good. Good enough.
Including both WM and EWM.
Yeah, yeah. See, the configuration remains the same.
Okay.
So
Okay, got it.
the way you
Got it,
configure in
WM.
WM, the same way you configure it in EWM part.
Okay, let me have a word with Ajay. I will decide accordingly.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying for your good, like you can save your time time and money as well. So if you
Correct,
go
correct.
separately for EWM, again you need to pay a bit higher for that. So why
Okay,
you
got
want to
it.
waste your money on time?
Yeah, that is quite obvious. Your suggestion is real. Yeah. So for this EWM, you will be sharing me the recordings and documents, right?
For everything, I'll share you the documents and recording.
Hello.
Recording will be shared by Ajay, and I'll
Yeah.
send you this
Oh, correct,
this.
correct, correct.
Okay.
Correct. Because honestly, I hate SAP document. It's very hard to understand, really.
Now the terminology they use, it's very hard to understand.
But that is not user-friendly document. Means special scammers, the one who don't know have any idea will have to struggle a lot. So how
You'll
much experience
understand.
you have in EWM?
I have around 5 years now, and
Okay,
overall is 14 years.
14 years, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because the one which you will be. Achha, tell me one thing. The EWM which you will be teaching, which version it is? 9 point something
Uh,
4 or 5.
9.4 you'll be practicing on.
Uh-huh.
9.5 is the latest version because we are still working on 9.4 version for older projects.
Okay. So will that not be any change? Means 9.5 is the latest, right?
Yeah, 9.5 is the latest one.
So you will be showing in me in 9.4, right?
Yeah, 9.4 I'll be training you because the projects which people have now is 9.4 only. 9.5 has been released, but still we are not working on it.
Okay. You don't have the system, right, for 9.5?
We have the access. If you want, I can give you that access also. That is
Okay.
not a problem. But people are working still on 9.4. That's why it will take another 5 to 6 months for people to get into a 9.5 version.
Okay, and one more thing. This. Okay, got it. 9.4%. Actually, for S4 HANA, I'm working in S4 HANA. Will that is a different with the one which you will be showing? Because that is totally integrated with one. That is a one system, right? But
See,
you will be showing me the one which is EWM system, and another is EWM SM system, and another is ECC, right? That interface is there. But in my
yes, yes.
case, that will be not interface, right? That is in one box.
Yeah, see, the T codes remains the same.
Okay.
Okay, and the functionality, the configuration remains the same. If you go to HANA system or an ERP, ECC.
Only the interface will not be there. The CSM1 and CSM2, we don't need to do that, right?
No, it is internally already into one box, right? So that
Okay. That's what.
interface function is not required there.
So will you be showing me that also bit?
I don't have HANA system
Oh,
access.
you don't.
So
Oh, you
I
don't
can
have.
just guide you.
Oh, you don't. But I have HANA system. Don't worry.
If you have HANA system, I'll just guide you what to do.
You can help me out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Got
Because
it, Abdul.
HANA system access is a bit costly. That's the reason we don't
No,
take
I have. Don't worry.
it. Okay. I'll guide you in that, no problem.
Okay. Can guide me up. Okay, got it, Abdul. Nice talking with you. My question has been
Same here.
answered. Yeah.
Same here, man. Take care.
Okay. Okay.
Bye.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
Jay.